Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to fit table to page in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, so just follow my steps. So I will insert a table so we can fit it in. I will choose 4x4, and now in order to fit your table to page, just drag from the bottom of the table and drop it where you would like it. As you can see, it only expands one row. I want to expand all of them, so I will press Command Z to go back, and then I will select all of my page like this, and then extend my table right at the end of the page. Now, as you can see, the table is extended and fits the whole page. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.